What's going on? Garrett Berry here. In this video, I'm going to reveal an incredibly simple secret free strategy you can use with Craigslist to start to generate affiliate commissions on Clickbank as soon as this week. I'm not only going to share that, towards the end of the video, I'm going to reveal another bonus strategy that's totally for free to take your Clickbank sales to the next level and do this in as little as 15 minutes a day. Last but not least, before I hop on my laptop and share this, I want to share that if you're watching this and maybe you're struggling in affiliate marketing or you're brand new, I'm going to include a link directly below that's going to take you to an overview video of my #1 affiliate system so you can start to generate commissions on autopilot even while you're sleeping. So without further ado, let me hop on my laptop and dive in right now. Okay, so the very first step is we need to actually find a product on Clickbank to promote that's gonna guarantee we make money. So if you don't have an account with Clickbank, all you have to do is go to clickbank.com, go to the very top, click sign up, and then complete the sign up process. It's free and it only takes a few minutes. Now, once you're inside your account, you wanna go to the very top tab and click marketplace. And this is going to allow us to choose different categories of products. Now, for the sake of this video, I am going to do e-business and e-marketing. So what you want to do is click that tab and we want to sort results by gravity. Now, gravity is going to rank the products by the top selling ones at the very top of the page. So if we promote a product that's already selling really well for other people, then there's a great chance when we use this incredibly powerful Craigslist ad method, we're going to be able to make sales as well. Now, let's say I want to do this one, okay? Click Wealth System. All I have to do is click Promote, generate hop links, okay? And then I can save this affiliate link right here to a notepad, okay? Because that's going to come in handy in a second, okay? So I can just open it up right here, paste that in, and I want to save this. What I want to share with you is I've included a link directly below this video to actually get access to all of these copy paste ads and resources that I'm going to share in this video, and you can access that totally for free, okay? So when you go down below, you're going to access the script for Craigslist, and I'm also going to share with you in this video a few other sites that you can post free ads on, and I also have some copy paste ads that you can post, okay? So I want to share more in a second. But what you want to do is you want to go to Craigslist, okay? Now, Craigslist, if you don't know, it's basically a massive site where people can sell different items. They can also look for jobs and things like that. And that's what we're interested in this video. Now, what a lot of people don't realize is if you go to the job category here on Craigslist, you can actually go to resumes. Now, when you go to the resume section, what this is basically whatever city or location that your Craigslist account is in, that's going to share tons of different people, okay, that have actually put in resumes. Now, if you don't see a lot of different people applying, resumes and things, you can actually change, okay, the location. And I can actually put in, okay, a different location such as US. So if you're watching this and you're somewhere that's not maybe in America or things like that, you can actually choose, okay, a different place. So let's say Houston. Now, if I go to resumes, you're going to be able to see that there's a lot more, okay? Now, what we want to do is we want to open up one of the resumes and we want to realize that these people, they're actually looking to make some extra income. And because the Clickbank product that we're promoting teaches people how to make side income, we can actually message these people and recommend them to our product that we're actually promoting. So how do we do that? Once we open up a resume, all you have to do is click reply, okay? And this is going to actually open up into this box right here. Now, if you have a Gmail account, you can just click that. If you have a Yahoo, you can click that. Click the one that you have. So I'll say Gmail, okay? And what this does is this is going to open up into a message that I can actually send this person, okay? Now, I actually have, again, the script that I highly recommend you use for free down below. So when you click that link, you're going to actually find out, okay, that this is the first message. So what you would do is you would copy this, you'd go back to here, okay, and you can actually paste that. So it basically says, hey, I saw your inquiry on Craigslist about you looking for work. We're open to speaking with you about our open opportunities. Please feel free to contact me here and we'll send you some information to review about our company and opportunity. Okay. Now notice I'm not putting my affiliate link in that first message. The reason is that turns people off and that doesn't actually work. What you want to do is you want to get a back and forth, okay, a conversation, so people feel like they know, like, and trust you. So then when we reply to their message, then we're going to include our affiliate link. So what happens is when you actually do this, and again, you can do this for all of these, okay, I can literally open up this one and I can go reply, right? And I can do the same exact thing. Show email, boom. Okay, and I can literally just copy paste these. Okay, so I can do this, bam, right? And I can send these. Now what happens when you send them? A good portion of people, because they're interested in making more money, they're looking for an opportunity to work, they're going to reply to your message, okay? And then what you do is when they reply, we go back here and now we just send them our copy paste reply, okay? So let's say this person replied, they say, hey, that sounds great, like I'm definitely open to checking out more information. Boom, okay? Then we just copy and paste this message and it basically says, hey, thanks for your interest in this amazing opportunity. You can make 500 to 2,000 per week. All you'll be doing is copy pasting ads on social networks. We have all the ads. This is not a scam and it's absolutely free to get started. Okay, you can actually change that because some of the offers on Clickbank are going to be free, some aren't. If they're not free, you want to remove that. And then you say, visit this website here. And then you just remove, okay, that. And all we want to do is we want to copy our affiliate link and we want to put it right in there, okay? And then it says, and let me know if you have any more questions. Have a good one. And then boom, you would send that. So you would reply to their message, now sending your Clickbank affiliate link. And what happens is, because it's very high converting, because it has a high gravity score, okay, a lot of people are going to go check it out and they're going to decide to buy. And when they buy, you're going to be able to make Clickbank commissions, okay, just using Craigslist and copy paste strategies. So now that you've seen this incredibly powerful method, I want to share just one more method you can use that's copy paste and incredibly easy. So on this site right here, I have two other free classified sites that you can post ads on. Now, again, this is no cost at all. One of them is Free Ad Forum, and the other is Free Global Classified Ads. Now, you can open both of these, and what happens is when you get taken to these places, okay, they look very similar. You want to actually go to the top, and there's going to be a link that says register for free, okay, or something like that. And you're just going to create an account. You put in your email, your name, and then a password, okay? Now, once you actually do that, you can do that with both, okay? It works the same exact way for both. What you can do is go publish your ad for free. And what this is going to allow us to do is reach hundreds of people for free, and we can post ads, okay? So category, you can do business opportunity, okay? Now for title, what do we want to do? Well, again, under this video at the link, you can go here and I have headlines, okay? 50 copy paste headlines you can use that have been proven to work. So let's say the very first one, okay? I can copy this. I can go back here under title and it says attention, start today, get paid today, okay? Now for description, we want to go back here and we want to go to ad bodies. And I can actually copy this, okay? And you want to copy this. And what we can do, okay, right here, is post that into the description section because this is the ad body. And then it says get the details here. And now we just want to put in our affiliate link. Okay, just like this. Bam. Okay, price, you could do, you know, free. Click or drop for upload images. Okay, you can go to Google and you can literally just go to images here and you can type in money. Okay, money bag or money stacks, okay? And you can actually download these photos and you can just take one of them and you can actually upload that as the image of your ad. Country, okay, if there's a specific country that your product's best for, you can choose that. Region, okay, if you want to choose, you know, where you want your ad to show, I recommend you choose a big state, okay, in that country. So Texas is pretty big. City, you know, you can choose, you know, really doesn't matter. Please visit our website. Okay, I put in my affiliate link there. YouTube video. Okay, if you have a YouTube video that you find that maybe shares more information on this product after you search, you can actually include the link there. And again, you go down here, you can click no thanks. Okay, I do not want extra exposure. I want to submit a free ad. Okay, and then you just click publish. Okay, and there we have it. And then your ad is literally posted, and people in that region are going to start to see it. And you can get hundreds of free views, clicks, and even a lot of sales every single day just using this method. Now, again, you want to do the same exact thing on this site too, because the more ads you post, the more regions you actually post that ad in, the more potential views, traffic, leads, and sales you're going to start to generate. Okay, so this is incredibly powerful. Again, go down below, use these different ad bodies. Okay, they all work, but you want to test them out. You want to see which one gets you the most views. You can see some of your stats by going to my account at the top. Okay, and you can see right here that this is the ad that I just posted. Okay, so you'll be able to see the ads you post there. And there we have it, my friends. So I really hope you enjoyed learning these incredibly simple methods to use Craigslist and other classified sites to get free traffic and sales on Clickbank. If you like this video and you want me to make more, be sure to click the like button below. Also, be sure to subscribe with the bell icon so you never miss out on my latest step-by-step videos. And last but not least, if you want to discover my #1 affiliate system that gives you amazing products to promote, your own done-for-you website, and even follow-up emails so you can make as much as $2,000 per commission, click the first link below and check out that free overview video. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.